Vietnamese. Okay, thank you
Bro,
for
paki-accept
contributing.
daw bro. May napasok,
Ah,
paki-accept.
accept. Wala naman tayong ano, open naman to.
Open ba yan? Ay, please accept daw sabi ni Kuya Mon.
No, ibang link, ibang link. I-send mo yung ibang link, yung bagong link natin kasi yun yung luma. Yun yung isang link. So, i-send mo yung bagong link na ano natin, yung bagong link na to. Okay?
Okay, okay.
To continue again, this person na ipapakilala ko sa inyo, very ano siya, legit person, kumbaga kilala ko na ito, and very ano, trust, I mean mapagkakatiwalaan, we can trust her. And let's welcome the one and only Jasmine. Wala akong apelyido kasi nga Jasmine lang alam ko, pero yung ano niya, yung name niya in Vietnam is Nguyen Thai loan. I don't know, but Jasmine, English name Jasmine. Okay, sis, are you ready? Hello, sis. Make yourself known. Jasmine,
Hello,
there you are.
good morning.
Show
Morning.
yourself, sis. Okay, there you
Morning,
are.
everyone. Yeah, so thank you, Romel. Thank you, everybody, for making it here. And today it is one of the very first presentations about ARC market. And as you may have known something about me, because Romel just shared, right? So let me introduce myself a little bit more. So basically, I'm not really experienced in network marketing like all of you here. So when it comes to the experience of doing network marketing, I can say for sure that I'm nothing compared to you guys. But I have been in this industry for like 5 years. So my knowledge about projects and also my knowledge about networking is not, yeah, is something already. Okay. Yeah. But this is a very special project. This is the first project that I choose to develop the network. So what I want to say here is that me, when it comes to choosing the project that I can share, I can build the team, I'm very careful because I know that, in this industry, if we don't have knowledge to choose the project carefully, we may fail. We may fail our leaders, our team, and fail to achieve our goal. Okay? So I graduated in a university in Hanoi, Vietnam, and after that, I studied my master's degree in international corporate finance in the UK. Yeah, so you can see that with my education background, I really like finance. Yeah, and I think that's why I really love cryptocurrency and I love financial technology businesses. Yeah, so okay, so today I will share with you about AIC market, okay, which is right now at the very beginning, and I hope that with the insights that I share with you guys today, you understand more about AIC market, and you also can help yourself to make the decision. All right. So ARC market. Okay. So we can call it in short ARC. Okay. ARC is actually a cross-platform ecosystem, and its ecosystem were built in 2018. So it has no in 2019. So it has been a while that the company has prepared the necessary tools so that we can develop the community right now. Yeah. So what is it inside ARC ecosystem? Okay. So yeah, we can see here. Yeah. Already we have a lot of functions integrated inside AIC market, and all the functions are right now in use. Yeah. So first, AIC has its own trading platform, FX trading platform, like forex trading. So for those who are in forex trading, I believe that you can register in AIC market and you can see it for yourself. Yeah. And actually I got a feedback from a forex trader, like an expert in forex trading from the Philippines. And he said that the platform of AIC market is very potential for traders because the market looks very volatile, and yeah, I'm not really into trading, but I know that the feedback is good. So guys, if you are into trading, you can check it and see it for yourself. Okay? But here I don't mean to tell you into trading, okay? But here within IRC market, it has its own trading platform where you can trade. And also they have the API, which which is like the bridge that can help you to connect with other trading platforms so that you can choose to trade whether with trading view or MT4 or MT5. So the company provides this tool to help to connect with outside trading platforms as well. Want to increase their trading performance, they can use the AI blockchain, which which is developed to help us to trade more effectively. And apart from the trading platforms within ARC market, we can see that there is a wallet. Yeah, and this wallet is can help you to contain all the cryptocurrencies as well as ARC. So all is integrated into the platform. And in the wallet, you see that there are functions like P2P function or OTC trading. So we have P2P and OTC trading, and even swap, so that people can exchange between cryptocurrencies or exchange from ARC to other tokens easily. Okay. All right. And they also have staking function. Okay. So about the staking inside ARC market, it is very special. So normally, you know that if you want to stake any cryptocurrency, your fund will be locked, yeah, and you earn the reward, right? But here, while your fund is locked, you will be given a certain amount of USDT, which is equivalent to your staking. And that USDT you can use for trading. Yeah. And if you earn from trading, you withdraw the profit. Yeah. And you still earn your reward for the staking as normal. So the staking function in ARC is quite distinctive. So uh, yeah, and about the token ARC, yeah, the token was the token was launched like at the beginning of this year, and at first the company gives ARC to the community free by mining, by free mining. Yeah. And only until recently, I think like 1 month and a half, that the company started the program that we can join we can join mining by the mining packages so that we can mine more token. Yeah. And the token here is ARC. So ARC is right now the token of ARC market. Okay. And one thing you need to know is that the token is not issued or is not sold to the market. Okay, so it's not like any other token program, like the company normally sell the token to the market. right? Yeah, but here the only way that we can have the token is through mining.
Please
So you
excuse.
can see this is
Please,
the
please excuse first. Pwede pa-mute natin to kasi naririnig yung maingay. Pa-mute lang po para marinig mo ng maayos kung yung explanation ni Jasmine. Thank you.
sorry is from my side as well. It's quite noisy because I'm at the office and today we have an OPP. Yeah. So people are like discussing about the business. That's why it's a bit noisy. So please bear with me. So about ARC token, yeah, this token, here you can see the tokenomics and you will see the difference. Like, you know, other projects, normally they have a certain amount of token and they sell to the community, right? But here, the only way that we can have ARC right now is through mining. Okay, so the total supply of ARC is 600 million. Okay, you can see here. The total supply is 600 million. Okay, yeah, and later I will send you the smart contract so that you can see, you can check, and yeah, and then you can decide, right? But 50% of the total supply is for mining, and community are those who have the chance to own the tokens first, because here 25% of the token is for the developers and the founders, but right now it is locked. Okay, it's locked for 1 year, and after 1 year, it will be released to the developers in the form of vesting, and that period is 3 years. So you can see that right now no one has the token, and only by mining that we have the token. Yeah. So next 20% of the total token will be for burning. And each year, the company will burn 5% of the total supply. Yeah. And the rest 5% is for public sale. Okay. And this will be done in the next year when after halving. So after halving, ARC token will be listed on exchanges. And this will be the time that traders and those who haven't known about ARC can join and hold the token. But we already, as the first comers, have the chance to mine and have the tokens, right? So the good chance for us, when the token is listed and after having, we expect the price of the token to increase and the community have the chance to multiply their asset. Yeah. Yeah. So about this tokenomics, okay, it's very powerful. And the reason is that if you know how to read and analyze the smart contract, you will see that here the total supply is unchanged. Yeah. So they said that the total supply is 600 million. So there won't be any chance for this number to be more than that because the owner of the smart contract has given up the ownership, which means that this token is controlled by the community. And there is no chance that the owner of the smart contract will mint more token, which leads to the inflation of the token and the dump in the value of the price, in the value of the token. Yeah. So the total supplies is fixed. Yeah, there's no chance that this number will change. So like the supply is limited right? While the community keeps growing and growing. So, this will be the very important factor that can help the price of the token to increase. But more importantly, this token is, just not, it's just like a token that people buy and then sell. This token has the utility. So what are what are the functions of this token? Why people want to hold it, buy it instead of sell it to the community? Yeah. So the reason is because of all the function that I have mentioned above here. You know, like all the functions in the ecosystems need ARC. Okay, so for forex trading, instead of topping account with USDT, we can choose to top up our account by ARC. And with this option, we have 20% off. So you see motivation for people to buy ARC, right? And for your concern, ARC Market, the trading platform of ARC Market has more than 5,000 active users already. So these users are traders. They trade every day. The volume is huge, and they can use ARC, yeah, for trading instead of USDT, right? So this is one way to use ASCII. And the second function, you know, we have staking and farming. Okay, so for staking, you can lock their ARC. Okay, they earn the interest, and apart from that, they have they have an equivalent amount of USDT for trading. Yeah. And also for farming, people need ARC. So when you have ARC, you can put into farming and you earn in USDT monthly. So yeah, you see that the whole ecosystem use ARC. So this is very powerful because when the ecosystem keeps expanding, more people will need ARC for the use of the ecosystem, right? So this is an utility token. It's not just a token that people, buy and sell. Okay. So you can see that demand is always higher than the supply. So that's why, there is a chance for the token to increase in the value. So, how can we have ARC? Mentioned that, right now there's no ARC on the market because the company don't sell the token, right? And the community is the one who can own the token. And the only way that we can do to own the token is through mining. So we that traditionally to mine a token or mine a coin, we need like a machine, right? Which is very, you know, which which needs a lot of power, and yeah, it's difficult for us to install the equipment, right? But nowadays we have different mentors that can help us to mine a token or mine a coin, and it is more like energy friendly, right? So we have nowadays cloud mining, phone mining, or web mining. Yeah, and we can mine. So here we can mine by cloud mining. Okay, so we don't need to buy any physical products to mine. So the partner of ARC market is Safe Down. Okay, so Safe Down a fund organization. Yeah. And this fund organization invests in technological startups, and also this this organization facilitates like mining, and also facilitate facilitate us to build community. Okay, so basically ARC market is like a product based company, right? And SafeDown is the marketing company, you can understand like that. So through step down, we can mine the token of ARC market, and the token can be used for the whole ecosystem of ARC market. Yeah, and also through step down, we can build the community and earn from our network. Yeah, so these are some information, some numbers about SafeDown, which is the fund organization. Okay, so let's talk about the mining packages. How can we join and how can we mine the token faster? Okay, right now we still have the free mining program. Okay, so if you want to mine the token for free, you register for ARC market. You do the KYC, and then you can start mining the token for free. But this process is very slow. So to faster the process and to earn the token, to earn as many tokens as possible before the halving, we should consider buying the mining packages here. Okay, so here we have four options. The first option ranging from $100 to $1,000. And with this one, you can mine from 6% to 8% a month. So this percentage is based on your input package. Okay, and it will be paid to you in ARC on the daily basis. Okay, so I hope you understand this part. And if you have any questions, you can jot down. And at the end of this presentation, we can discuss. Okay? Yeah. And for the bigger packages, we have the better production. Okay? So the luckish one starting from $10,000, and the interest is 12 to 15% per month, and all the interest here be paid in ARC. And you will see that in your mining section, the number of ARC changes every second, because mining, right? Okay. And one special thing is that for each package that you join, 20% 20% of your package will be spent for buying the token waves. Okay, so wave is a valuable token. This is to hit the highest, the used to have the peak of like $70. Okay, and right now it's like $1.5 per token. So we believe that after the halving, value of wave will become like 60 or 70 again. So the company spends 20% of our input package to buy the token waves as the insurance for our investment. So, after the period mining, 24 months, yeah, if the value of the token ARC doesn't grow as expected, then we have this insurance. we have this amount of token waves that the company bought it initially. Okay, so this is good, right? We to secure the investment of our investors. Okay, yeah, right. So that's it for investors. What about networkers, right? So when we refer somebody to join the business, we have the chance to earn from land. Okay, so this is a binary system. Yeah. So I believe that all of you knows very well about this. Okay. Yeah. So you need to build two legs. Okay. And your with your directs, you earn 7% of the input package. Yeah. Yeah. And all the payment will be in USDT instantly, and you can withdraw anytime and as many times as possible within a day. And when you withdraw, the commission will come to your wallet instantly as well. So SafeDAO is a decentralized organization. Okay, so with this, okay, you can build the system confidently. Okay, and yeah, so again, the for direct referral, the commission is 7%. Yeah. Then for the binary commission is 7% of the weak branch. Okay. Yeah, here. And then we also have a chance to earn commission from the matrix. So this is the company's matrix. Okay. And we have any investors who join from the smallest package, which is $100, has the chance to earn $3 per each account. And this will be up to 10 levels, left, right, and up to 10 levels. Each account will be able to earn $3. And the next commission is commission based on the commission. Okay. So we earn from the commission of our downline and, up to the ninth level and with a total earning of 16%. Okay. Yeah. And the next source of income is the income from the shared pool. Okay, so the company has a fund they use for trading. Okay, so we have the chance to earn from 2 to 5% of the fund account of the company. Yeah, and finally, when we hit certain ranks, we will be given some accounts for trading. Yeah, from um so the fund account will be from 100,000 to 300,000 USD. Okay, so it's based on the rank. Yeah, and with this given account, you can trade it for yourself. If you earn, you withdraw the interest. Okay. If you don't know how to trade, you can hire somebody to trade it for you. You share the profit, or you can, buy or rent the AI bot trade, and then it can trade for you, and you earn the profit. Okay. But with this given fund account, if you lose, let's say more than 5% per day, then the account will be taken back. Or if you lose more than 12% per month, your account will also be taken back. Okay. So for the fund account that you are given, there will be conditions. All right. That's about the compensation plan. Very simple, very easy. Okay. So by and large, this is the picture of the ecosystem. Okay. This slide is very important because it summarizes all the ecosystem of the project. And with this diagram, we can see how the company manages the cash flow. Okay, so you know that any business, even traditional businesses, right? The way that the company manage the cash flow is important because it will help the company to go in the long way, right? Yeah. So here we see that ARC, ARC market, yeah, is the cross platform ecosystem, right? In which we have all the functions which are already in use in the forex trading platform, the P2P transaction, okay, P2P trading, yeah, wallet, swap function. We have AI bot trade. We have API, which is the bridge connects the trading platform with other trading platforms. Yeah, and we have staking. Okay, so ARC is the token that can be used for the whole ecosystem here. Okay, and we have Safe Down, which is the collaborators of ASD market. Yeah. So Safe Down will facilitate mining and also farming. Yeah. So when we join mining in Safe Down, we can earn from 6 to 50% per month in ARC. Okay. Yeah, 6 to 15% per month, and the payment is in ARC. So the question is like, how can we own it, right? We can use it for, for liquidity within the ecosystem here. We can use for OTC trading, B2B trading, and also we can use for farming. So here we have farming program. So with this program, like you put ARC into farming and you can earn 8 in USDT. Okay, so when you join farming, you earn in USDT. When you join mining, you earn in ARC. Okay, yeah, and the contract for farming is 3 months. So after 3 months, you can withdraw your initial ARC, which you put into farming. Yeah, and then you can choose to join farming again. Okay, or you can choose to liquidate it into the ecosystem. Okay, yeah, and farming, yeah, we need ARC, right? And right now, we actually don't have many ARC to buy to join farming. That's why we need to promote it so that, the community can own more ARC. And after that, people can join farming and earn more in USDT. Okay? Yeah. So when you look at this diagram, you will see that like ARC is always run in the ecosystem, right? And this will help the business to sustain, right? And the ecosystem keeps expanding. More and more functions will be added into the ecosystem, and people need ARC more and more, right? And only until after having that ARC is listed. Okay, so according to the roadmap, after having, they will their blockchain. Right now, they are the blockchain is being developed. Yeah, and in the next quarter, they will launch the testnet of the blockchain. And after having, they will launch their own blockchain. Okay, and ARC will be the native coin, and also ARC be listed on exchanges. Yeah, and only until then that the like people outside of the community has the chance to own the token. Yeah, so we are at the beginning of the project, and we have the chance to own the token at the very very early stage. Okay, so when it comes to investment, we are in a very good position right now. Yep. So, yep. For farming, we also have the like the compensation plan for farming. Okay, which is separate, which is different from the compensation plan of mining. Okay, but this one I can share with you later. Okay, and right now we can focus on helping people to mine the token. All right. So that's it. This part brings me to the end of the presentation about ARC market. Yeah. So I hope that my explanation is good enough. Okay. And thank you so much. Now it's time for Q&A. Yes. So everybody, now is your time to speak. Yeah, so do you guys have any questions?
Yes, may gusto ba magtanong? You can raise or you can chat.
Yeah, I prefer people to talk because here we all speak English, right? So it's better we communicate, we discuss so we can understand the business better. And only when we are confident about business, we can, we love it and we can, focus on building the community. This is the first time I share about the business.
Hello, Jasmine.
Oh yes, the
This is Dexter. Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you very well.
Thank you. I just want to clarify something, please. I hope in the first place, I would like to ask an apology regarding I could not really use my video in the meantime. I hope you will understand.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. I just want to have a clarification. I would like to have a clarification regarding the when can this coin be listed on the market?
Oh, okay. When it will be listed here, I actually omitted some slides, and one of it is the roadmap. Okay, so thank you for your question. And okay, so for your question, I about the roadmap here, and as you can see, yeah, in the second quarter of 2024, next year, they will release the new blockchain platform and list ARC on public exchanges. Okay, so it will be the second quarter of next year after having, yeah, I think. And you know that right now there is no use of listing the token on the exchange because the company don't issue the token, don't sell the token, and only through mining that the community has the token. And this token is community based. which means that the company, the owner of smart contract, like doesn't have any control of the token right now. Yeah, because the owner has already renounced the ownership of the project of the smart contract. Yeah, you get it?
Okay. Yeah, I got
Dexter?
it. I got it.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So that means since the owner really renounced the ownership to the market, which means it is not going to be who will own now this cryptocurrency token, right?
I cannot hear you well. Can you speak more loudly?
Wait, there are some noise, some interferences, I guess. It's not coming from me.
Can you hear me better?
Okay, okay, I got it now.
Yes.
So that means anyway, in conclusion then,
Mm,
it is now the community who
mm.
is in control or who will own now this token because of the renouncement of the owner.
Exactly. This is a community-based token.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
it will be owned by the community,
yeah,
which means depends now on the number of the community that will be using this kind of token. And since it is not listed, it is not yet available in the market, the utilization of this token will be within the community.
exactly. And remember the tokenomics that I shared.
Yeah,
50%
yeah.
of the total supply, which is fixed, okay, which cannot be minted more, is in the hands of the community, and we are the ones who join to mine the tokens first. Even the owners of the project, the developers, the founders, right now don't have the token because their token is 25%, which is locked for 1 year. And after that, it will be unlocked and it will be in the form of vesting. So each day they receive some amount. So there is no risk that, the owners of the token or developers, they have the huge amount of the token and they sell and they dump the price, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay. I got it.
Okay. Yes. So actually, in Vietnam, we have a community in which people are trained how to analyze the smart contract, how to read the smart contract, because smart contract is the key of the success of the project. Because we see all the cryptocurrency projects, like almost are based on smart contract. Yeah, so it's not that who the company's owner is or where the office is are those who decide that whether the business sustain or not. So what decides the sustainability of the business is actually what is written in the on the smart contract. Okay, and there are some very important information on a smart contract that we should know, and based on that we can choose the business and we can build the community confidently for the long term. So I hope that when we have expanded the community, we can have the weekly Zoom to train people about smart contract. So you can check any token, any business based on smart contract and see what are risks. You can check the smart contract of ARC and you see how secure and how trustworthy it is. Okay, so any further questions? Yeah, please, Dexter.
Regarding the smart contract, well, of course, I'm sure that it is not everybody knows about the smart contract, and we need to understand it. How can we avail of the training or some information about it? Do you give us some training regarding that smart contract
Excuse me, can you repeat your question? Because it was noisy, so I couldn't hear you clearly.
You mentioned about the smart contract.
Yes.
Now, since to understand regarding this business, we need also to understand the smart contract, what you have said here. So I think it is justifiable just for us to also understand regarding the smart contract. Are you going to conduct a free seminar about that?
Yeah, sure. And this is especially for the Philippines market because in Vietnam, those who want to attend the smart contract training need to pay for it as well. So this is a really valuable course, and it is like provided by an expert in smart contract, Mr. Chung. So actually, he got the training from a foreign country, and he paid like several tens of thousands. So this is actually a very very valuable training course that you guys should attend. And I will ask him to do a favor to give us a privilege so that only the core leaders can join the Zoom, and we have the like we have the specific training about smart contract. Okay, and we can do
Sis,
like on the weekly basis, and for the core leaders. Okay.
hello sis. Um, I think that the best way we can do is Dexter is good in having this. Maybe we can train also Dexter to Henry about the smart contract, which so that in our own language, Dexter can train also in the
Yeah,
Philippines.
yeah, sure. So Dexter and all the leaders who are really interested in understanding about the technique.
the
Okay.
technical thing we need to understand, and someone from us here can explain it well, which I know Dexter can, because that's really a big thing if we know, or if we like this, if we have the knowledge on the smart contract, because mostly smart contract are really scams. So what's the difference between the smart contract before and this ERC market, which is now?
Sure, we can do it. We can plan it. So hopefully we can do it right from this week. Yeah, and after that, once Dexter has been able to master the knowledge, he can run the training session by himself, right?
Yes, that's good. That's good.
Hello, good
Hope
afternoon,
I hope I
everyone.
can.
Hello, good afternoon,
Yes,
everyone.
hello, good
Yeah,
morning, good afternoon.
hi,
Yes.
good morning. I'm Doyet. So, I just want to apologize if I came late. So,
Mm,
all I know, it would be helpful to all of us. Yeah, that's good. That's right. That, sir, um, tell about the, I suggest that this team should have admin
mm.
to learn more about the business. And yeah, that's good that we can explain uh, to those people that we are going to invite regarding for this business, is to explain to them clearly in our own language.
I
Is it?
agree.
Yes, ma'am. Magte-train tayo dito ng meron tayong mga magagaling dito sa
Yes
group
po.
natin. Kailangan lang natin sila, dapat nga dalhin sa Vietnam para i-train, pero
Yes po.
sa passport through Zoom na lang. So yun na lang, i-train na lang, magti-training na lang regarding the technical
Mm-hmm.
issue. I mean the technical thing
About the
para
marketing.
yes, sa smart contract, kung paano talaga natin malaman yung yung transparency kasi mostly talaga maraming scams dito sa Pilipinas na
Yes.
napasukan natin tapos hindi lang ang nabibiktima natin yung mga kawawa ng nahuli. Unlike dito kasi kami natin kung ano yung difference between the smart contract before to hanggang itong smart contract na ito kasi nga it's a big chance na safe tayo lahat.
Okay, sir, much better magkaroon tayo ng meeting sa mga leaders na
Yun po.
interested na matuto para nang sa ganun magkaroon tayo ng team or paano natin aralin tong business na to kasi kagaya nga ng sinasabi mo, marami talaga. Kagaya na kwento ko sa'yo, ang daming sunog. So, mahirapan tayo.
Tama.
Kung sinong willing matuto.
Yes, Kuya Dex, nag-use ka ng hands. You can talk.
Yeah, I just want to continue again. Jasmine, I hope you will bear with me. There are some things still I want to clarify. This is our first meeting. And I
Yes.
have so many lot of questions really about this. So I hope you will bear with me. I will just take some points at a time. Going back to these two companies, because as I observed, there are two really big companies with one thing, correct? It is the ARC Market Company, yes, and also the other one is actually the SafeDAO.
Yes.
And it is the ARC, the ARC. We are actually producing here an ARC token, correct?
So
But there is,
ARC market has its own token, which is
yes,
ARC, and the token can be used for the ecosystem of ARC market. And the way that community can have the token is through mining. So ARC doesn't provide the mining program itself. So only through SafeDAO facilitate the mining process. So when we join SafeDAO, we can mine the token of ARC, and SafeDAO will, when we join SafeDAO, we join the compensation plan. We build the network and we earn with SafeDAO. Okay.
yeah, I understand that.
Mm.
I just want to have a clarification. Since SafeDAO is the one facilitating to have that token. Actually, SafeDAO has also its own token, correct?
It's on what?
It has its own token. There is a safe
Yes.
token also, correct?
Oh, no. SafeDAO doesn't have any token. Yeah. SafeDAO is just a fund organization. It invests in technological startups and it facilitates the mining program and facilitate community like a network.
Okay. So I get that. The safe token that was being mentioned about is not really a token from SafeDAO.
No, I don't know any token. Yeah. So
Because that
probably,
confuses me anyway.
yeah.
It's clear. I got it. So SafeDAO, this SafeDAO that is connected with ARC has no any token. So it's clear that it is not a conflict of interest because it raises a question. If SafeDAO has its own token and ARC has its own token, it is somehow conflict in interest. And it's good that it was brought out so that this is actually somehow a clarification.
Yeah.
In our case. Thank you for that. Again, I hope can I ask one more question?
Yes.
It's okay. Going to the ARC, on the ARC, we have here the platform for ARC in which there is what we call as a funded account.
Yes.
And the minimum is 5,000, I guess. We can that only for 5,000, there is actually an available of 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. I guess that was not being brought out a while ago. What we heard only is regarding the 100,000 fund. But if we are going to look at the ARC platform or on the dashboard, there is actually a funded trading that starts from a 5,000 amount, which means we can purchase a 5,000 funded trading. They are also offering a trading funded trading account. And actually, if you're going to use an ERC, they are giving a privilege of around 20% discount. Did you see that?
I haven't gone into details about the trading platform because I'm not really into forex trading. But yeah, you just raise the question and then
Yes.
I can take note and I can ask my upline. Yeah.
Okay, please take note of that. As you
So
can
what
see
is
here,
your
you can.
question again? What is your question again related to the fund account?
Yes, regarding the funded account, there is a funded account that is being offered by ARC starting from 5,000 USDT.
Mm.
And you can purchase this account, let's say the 5,000 account, by around $49 USDT, which means if you're going to buy or you're going to purchase, you're going to pay around $49. The ARC will give you an account of $5,000 for which you can trade it.
Yep. Yep. And
So,
you can also buy that account by using ARC. And
yes,
if you choose to buy by ARC, you have 20% discount. So you pay less than using USDT. And that's how we encourage people to use ARC because ARC aims to become a utility token, not like just a token for buying and selling.
yes, thank you very much. I just want to bring that out in the sense that some might be overwhelmed about the 100,000 funded or the fund that was being a while ago. But actually, ARC is also offering a 5,000 amount in which we can still utilize the ARC.
One, the small one that you are talking about are those options that people can use their own money to buy. But the 100,000 up to 300,000 fund account are the gifts that will be given to those who qualify. Let's say you hit the diamond rank, then you will be given a
Yes,
fund account for free. You don't have
yes,
to pay anything. You will be given the fund account of 100,000. You
yeah,
have the right to access the fund account and use that account for trading. You trade, you earn, then you withdraw the profit. Yeah.
yeah,
But
yeah.
if you lose more than 5% per day, you the account will be taken back.
All
Or
right.
if you lose more than 12% per month, the account also will be taken back.
Yeah, that is understandable anyway. It is just actually within a hard rule. That's understandable for traders.
Okay.
So I really I just want that to be brought out since that is also one way of using or utilizing the ARC. As
Yes.
we all know, that as we use the ARC, it is the better since it was emphasized a while ago that it is already the company, I mean, it is already the community. We, the one using ARC, will be the owner of this token. So we need actually to really to market that. The only way for us also to bring it up is by encouraging people to join, to use that, to utilize it. That's the way how it is, including also other programs that is being done. Jasmine, I have just last concern here. We have concern. You know, this is just on my viewpoint. I don't know for our colleagues here. On my viewpoint, actually, this is somehow, shall we say, it is not anyway an overwhelming topic or not so much complicated, but I guess we need to understand more about this. We need to delve, we need to understand the detail of this before we can explain it, especially to our fellow, let's say, Filipinos here, or we can translate it in such a way to simplify everything we need much of your support, since all of us doesn't know about regarding blockchain, regarding the process, regarding actually speaking about the web mining we have here, the phone mining and also the cloud mining is somehow something still to be explained to each of us. There are so many factors, there are so many things we need to understand here. So I guess you need to gird yourself and give us some more details about all of this. And we would give us time to study. Give us, yes, of course, much time to study about this. Not only the marketing strategies, but all the terminologies, so that we can explain. You know, we cannot give something we do not have, right? We need to understand it so that we can explain it for others. We would not expect that people will understand us if we ourselves don't understand it. See, we must be the one, the first to be educated about this. I hope you got our point. Yeah, thank you, and thank you for that. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for your time, Jasmine.
Yeah, you're welcome. So here I got a question from the chat box asking about the price, the value of ASC. So right now it's 0.03, okay? 0.03 USDT. And it is expected after the halving, the price of the token will be at least $1. So you see why the community is confident about the potential of the token, because the amount of token is limited. So 600 million, okay? So half of it, 300 million is the fixed amount. And this one cannot be minted more because it has been written on the smart contract. There's no way to mint more token. There's no way that the owner will, sell a very big amount of token and then dump the price. Okay. So, and also you see that the community keep expanding. And right now the community is small like this, right? Also the functions and the utility of the token will increase through time. So we can say for sure that the price of the token will increase, yeah, especially after halving. And what else? How to start? How to start? Okay, so if you want to invest, yeah, let's start with buying a mining package here. You choose a suitable package for you, starting from the smallest one, which is $100. Okay, and you can see how good it is. Okay, when you have ARC, you can try to sell, and then you can even decide to upgrade the package. Okay, so it is basically how you can start if you are an investor. And if you are a networker, so you need to have your own package. Okay, yeah, and after you have your own package, you refer somebody. Okay, left, somebody right. Yeah, so you build the system, the binary system. You earn from your direct sale, and you also earn from your binary. Okay, and you earn from the commission of your downline. Yeah, so that's how we earn here as an investor, or as a networker. Okay, is this clear enough? Any further questions?
May tanong pa ba? I think no more questions, sis. So, sis, we will make this regular Zoom meeting. Yeah. I'll send you the information. I will fix things first, the schedule, and we'll train some leaders for the presentation, leaders whom are like wanted to do the presentation here in the Philippines. Maybe after that I'll inform you and make another group chat for them, for the admin, like from the one asking for it, so that here in the Philippines we have a local presentation.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So if no more question, I would like to say thank you to you, sis, Jasmine, for having us, and thank you for the wonderful presentation. And really, the compensation plan is very easy to understand and easy to market in the Philippines. And we're hoping, and we know that this marketing plan, this ARC market will last longer, like 3 years or more than years. Okay, so thank you for this business that being presented to us, and hope we will we will have more people or members or leaders will attend in our next meeting. And once again, thank you and bye. Okay, sis.
Thank you so much, everyone, for attending the training. And yeah, for the next Zoom, you can invite more people so that yeah, we can spread the information and help people to understand more about the business. Okay, thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye,
Bye-bye.
sis.
Yeah, bye
Bye-bye.
bye.